So here we go, ladies and gentlemen. This is my first video, and this is for my pre-calc 11 class. We're going to do the trigonometry section with this flipped classroom idea. So the first video is just a prelude, kind of like a reminder about what we're going to be dealing with. And triangles is a big part of this whole thing. Okay, triangles are the most basic geometric shape. They involve three sides and three angles, right? So one of the most important things and most useful things about triangles is that we know that all three angles in the triangle add up to 180 degrees. What we're going to look at today are the different types of triangles. So the first triangle we're going to look at is an equilateral triangle, okay? Equilateral, equal, meaning three equal sides. They're identified by these ticks here, and three equal angles. And if they all add up to 180, then we simply go 180 divided by 3, right? 180 degrees divided by 3 gives you that 60-degree angle in each case. Okay, so that's one of the triangles we look at. The next one is what we call an isosceles triangle. This has two equal sides, and the angles opposite the equal sides are also equal. Now this isosceles triangle is in a orientation that's pretty obvious to us. Sometimes we're going to see them maybe a little bit sideways like this, okay? But understand that all you have to do is rotate the piece of paper, right? If you rotate it like this, all of a sudden it's the right way up. So feel free to rotate your papers if that helps you understand what type of triangle you're looking at. Now, if we have no equal sides and no equal angles, we call that a scalene triangle. No equal sides or angles. Now that, lots of different types of triangles that we can draw, right? There you go. No equal sides, no equal angles. Okay? Now, a special type of triangle we're going to look at, or actually, let's deal with these first. An acute triangle means that all these three angles are less than 90 degrees. And that's what an acute triangle, an acute angle is, right? Less than 90 degrees. We also have what we call an obtuse triangle. Obtuse is like obese, it's a fat one. It means it's got a fat angle in here, okay, more than 90 degrees. Acute, they often say, oh, it's a cute thing, so it's a small angle, less than 90, right? An obtuse angle, greater than 90. All right, now the one type of triangle that we're going to deal with probably more than anything is what we call a right angle triangle, or simply a right triangle. Now the thing with right triangles, folks, is that they have a 90-degree angle. And a 90-degree angle is often identified, or usually identified, with a little box like this. Now the beauty, the one thing you have to understand with right angle triangles is that they often can look something like this even. Okay, there you go. Now it might not be, again, an orientation that you like, so how about you spin it, boom, all of a sudden it's in an orientation that we like. Okay, now you can have an isosceles right angle triangle, okay, and yeah, there you go. So those are the different types of triangles that we're going to be using.